Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On Solana, we're going to do a full update. We will focus mostly on the technicals because I think the technicals at this point of time also kind of include the fundamentals, right? So usually when you have fundamental events such as the application for the Solana ETF, that gets priced in, and the possibilities of that also get priced in. There's plenty of news for Solana in the last couple of weeks. They've done a lot of great things, which I also think is one of the causes that it's been relatively bullish. And at this point of time, even though Bitcoin yesterday was quite bearish, Solana has been holding up. And if you look at Solana against Bitcoin, that is still very bullish, I would say. Even though we had a bit of a drop last night, but that's just because Solana had a bit of a drop here. That's also normal, because before that Solana was significantly outperforming Bitcoin. So that's interesting. Solana against Bitcoin, the chart is also at a resistance level here, so that's double interesting. But yeah, so like I said, the news is in the price already. All right, the news which we had with all of the developments they created, etc., already creates a relatively bullish Solana. But still, I do think it's priced in. So yeah, that's what we'll mostly focus on the technicals. But for now, let's get right into it. So like I said, Solana against Bitcoin is relatively strong here. I would say it's still trending up. Even if it drops down a bit lower, it's still trending up, right? So the most important key level I think is around here. If that still holds, this is still bullish, which means that Solana can rally even if Bitcoin is down a bit, which is the situation right now, right? Bitcoin dropped down quite a bit in the last 24 hours and is now back down into a consolidation, which is not the worst for Solana with that strength, because that means that even though Bitcoin is consolidating, Solana can, when Bitcoin is bullish in that consolidation, so when it's bouncing up and down and when it's in the up phase, Solana can outperform. But I do think we are at a pretty critical level here, all right? What you can see if you look at Solana right here, and I don't think you should value trend lines like these this much, but I do think in this case it's a good gauge to see the momentum of Solana. All right, so you can see we are at a trend line. It's also being respected. If you don't know, trend lines are actually respected quite often. All right, so I would advise using them on your charts just for extra confirmation. But what I said last time as well. On Sunday, I believe, or on Monday. No, I think on Monday when we had that breakout. Nah, I'm not sure. But what I said is that, all right, well, we have a significant level at 140. We broke down below that, got a bullish reclaim. That's good. But now a more important level is actually more around 144. And that level, which you can also see on the chart right there, you can see it respected. And that level lines up with this trend line, the 200 EMA, a lot of great support levels. All right, so this is the critical level in my opinion, between 144 and 146. If we're able to hold that, then technically we still have a bullish structure. And that in combination with all the news that we had and a potential recovery for Bitcoin, which is always a possibility, but at least, excuse me, I'm talking too fast, but at least the relative strength for Bitcoin, all of that together makes me believe that I'm looking at the wrong thing right now. Makes me believe that if we can hold that, we can actually still rally up to that major price target at 157 and 160. And who knows what we can do there. But for now, like I said, the main question is can we hold that level? And that is something, honestly, we will have to see, all right? Because the markets right now are not doing great. Solana is losing quite a lot of momentum here. And I'm not sure what's going on with my voice, but yesterday there was a football match, which I screamed a bit at, so maybe that's it. But no, we need to see this hold. Momentum is dropping down a bit, which is normal in these market circumstances. There's no major divergence or anything. We're getting some long liquidations, which is bullish. But what I need to see now is that Solana is able to break back above 150. All right, if from this support level we can break back above 150, I expect support either way. All right, so I expect us to move up to 150. If we can break back above that, that's great. Then it's confirmed that we're still bullish and we're ready up. But if for some reason, and that could be caused by a lot of things, could be just caused by Bitcoin, for example, if we find support here, which I expect, we go up to 150 and we're not able to break above that, then unfortunately I think it's more likely we'll drop down to 140, and we will hopefully just consolidate here in the middle for a bit. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next videos. Bye.